Connecting Canva to ChatGPT allows you to generate designs directly within ChatGPT using Canva's design tools. This integration is done through the Apps or Plugins section. This tutorial outlines the steps. What the process does. The Canva plugin allows ChatGPT to access Canva's design capabilities. The integration requires a Canva account and authorization. Steps to connect Canva to ChatGPT. Press. Log into your ChatGPT account. On the left side of the screen, look for the option labeled Plugins or Apps. Click it to open the available integrations. In the search box at the top, type Canva, select Canva from the search results. Click the Install button to begin the integration. A prompt will ask if you want to add Canva to ChatGPT. Click to continue. You will be asked to sign in with your Canva account. Click the Sign In button on the permission page. Ensure you are logged into the correct Canva account. Then scroll to the bottom and click Allow. After authorization, you will see a success message and be redirected back to ChatGPT. Canva will appear in your installed plugins or apps. To use it, start a new chat. Click the plus button in the chat input area and select Canva from the available sources. Limitation. This integration requires a Canva account and works only if the plugins or apps feature is available in your ChatGPT version. The Canva plugin may have usage limits depending on your ChatGPT subscription. This setup is best suited for users who want to generate designs or visuals directly through ChatGPT without switching to a separate browser tab. Connecting Canva to ChatGPT involves installing the Canva plugin from the Apps section, authorizing the connection with your Canva account, and selecting Canva as a source in a new chat. Once installed, Canva can be used to generate designs directly from ChatGPT prompts. A Canva account is required.